asked you, I said, why are you wearing a sweater? And you just had to wear that sweater. So that's why you got that sweater. Charlene? Okay, don't walk so fast. Oh, okay, okay.
You wanna buy it?
No, no, I don't want to buy it. You want to buy it?
I told you not to.
Well, it's lost. Trying to find, get another one now. So this one got 2 of them in there.
Okay, then get that.
For $8.
Put that down. Oh, it's over.
What is that?
How much is it?
Okay. All right. So now, oh, they got She Legit powder in here too. Wow. Oh. Over here. No, ma'am. No, you cannot have one of those. Whatever it is that you're trying to get.